Today we're at Turda Salt Mine. It's an amazing place for healing and for all kinds of lung problems. We're so excited to go. There's a few of these in Romania. This is just one of the salt mines that was on our way to our next destination. But let's go check it out. Let me show you the front of it. So that's basically it. It's a dome structure, and then it just goes down for hundreds and hundreds of feet. Anyway, we're pretty excited. Let's go check it out. Down to the corridor of salt action. I almost feel like just putting my tongue against the wall and licking some of the salt up just to give it a try. This room here is basically where they do like salt treatments of a certain type. You gotta make a reservation and buy tickets for it. It's real interesting how everything is cubed off. Everything is square in here. Square and square. Okay, let's go. We're looking for the main attraction. If anybody can pronounce that word, that's where we're going right now.
Its original location. The trolley, or the extraction machine, is a winch with a vertical axis known as the Geppel.
So this is the model of the torture device that we saw. And each horse team was tied to each arm, and it just basically spin it around where the salt is then produced and manufactured. So we saw those two exhibits, and we still keep going down this tube. There's 6 exhibits, which I saw 5 and 6. I guess the number 1 is at the bottom of this long hall or tube. Okay, can you open it? This is the Echo Hall. Goodness. Look at that salt. Wow. Look at the corners. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's like marble made from salt. Amazing. Look at the ceiling. Wow. Don't look into the light. Don't look into the light. That was way cool, the salt room. It was the echo room. So we just probably went about 100 yards and then we probably got another 200 yards in front of us. Pretty crazy. Okay, now we're coming to the part with the lift. We should be seeing this and that and a whole lot of neato stuff. So they saved the best for last. Then we go down. The wood is super slippery because of all the salt. That's the elevator shaft. We want to check it out from the top first. I saw this on YouTube before, but never thought I would ever get here or be here. But it's quite something. This is another angle. Oh, this place is nuts. Super crazy. All salt. Yikes. Small little gift shop over here. You can buy souvenirs and stuff. Reading tables, amphitheater back there, little pool tables, some art for you to look or maybe buy. So the whole idea behind this is for you to come down here and spend time in the salt mines. With the people who cannot live close to the ocean, they come to this place, and what they're doing is breathing in all of the salty air, which is full with healing properties. They say people with lung problems basically come here and stay here for like 3 hours and get rejuvenated and get fixed because of all the healing air that's in here. It's kind of heavy. It's kind of burning my nose. It's like major salt foam, almost like. But at the same time, it's kind of cleansing. So I'm still dealing with some stuff from COVID. So I'm taking in some seriously deep breaths. Gia's dealing with some mold problems too. She's taking in some deep breaths. So we're gonna try to stay down here as long as we can. The air doesn't taste salty like the ocean though. Anyway, amazing place. And there's several, maybe 3 or 4, maybe even more of these salt mines in Romania, which claim to do the same things. And this one is supposed to be the most wow factor one, and I can kind of see why. It's pretty cool too, because they're even doing they're working on a Ferris wheel right behind me, and this is pretty cool too. Is the stalactites formed by the salt. It's so cool. It's so hard to catch it on film, but you kind of get the idea. They're not that long, probably about 2 feet on the longest. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys loved it, subscribe. Now we're looking at the other city down below us. That's amazing. It's got water and boats and stuff. Pretty cool. So we're in the elevator going down to the boats. Let's go take a look. And so right up here is that hole that we were looking out from. That's the first floor. Another angle of the first floor. Pretty stunning.
Do you feel like you're in altitude? Like you're all...
A little bit, yeah.
I am. I'm just all...
We feel like we're some altitude sickness. Still kind of fun. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the long corridor. I'm gonna turn it off for now because it all looks the same, like coming backwards. Well, that was fun and amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed it because we did. Pretty nuts walking up these stairs, fully out of breath, smoking old timers already.